Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. We are going to do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and this is the 2 signature soft-sided quilted. I used a vintage quilt to make this cover, and we made this together in 3 parts. It's a 3-part video, and if you haven't already seen it, you may want to go back and watch the videos as to how we made this. I think it turned out really nice. It's tied with a sari silk ribbon. It's got a beautiful French cottage on the front, which is an image from the Pretty French Cottage digital kit that is listed in my Etsy shop, and I will post a link in the description box below in case you want to check out that kit and make this journal yourself. It is filled with lots of pretty things, lace pockets. There's a lot of ephemera in here and a lot of pages that the person who wins this journal will be able to embellish further and make it their own. So let's get started and do the drawing. Okay, so I believe that we have 85 entries, and I've put all the entries in this glass jar, and we are going to pick one lucky winner. So here we go. The brown dragonfly. Congratulations, the brown dragonfly has won this journal. You have a week to contact me with your address, and I will send you this beautiful journal. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell so that you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. I have a lot of great projects planned, so a lot of great videos coming up. And have a great rest of your weekend. Stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Until the next video, bye-bye, friends.